Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to understand the concept of if elif else statement in Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we discuss if else statement. The if statement alone tells us that if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statements, and if the condition is false, it doesn't execute anything. If I'm talking about if statement, we have discussed in our previous presentation what is if statement. But if we want to do something else, if the condition is false, we can use the else statement within the if statement Python to execute a block of code when the Python if condition is false. This is our if else statement. Now next, talking about if elif else statement. Here if elif else statement is used when decision has to be made among more than two alternatives. If else statement is used when decision has to be made among only two alternatives, but if elif else statement is used when decision has to be made more than two alternatives. Here a user can decide among multiple options. Then if statement is executed from the top down. As soon as one of the conditions controlling the if is true, the statement associated with that if is executed and rest of the things is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then final else will be executed. Now let us discuss the syntax. This is our syntax of if elif statement. Here if expression 1, if this condition is true, then this block of statement will be executed. Then again check the condition. If this condition is true, then this block of statement will be executed. Otherwise, if neither of these conditions are true, then else part will be executed. Let's understand with the help of an example. This is our program with if elif statement. Here I am declaring one variable which points to 5 value. Now I have written here condition with if statement. If x is equal to 5, after condition put semicolon here, it is mandatory. Then print x is 5. This print statement is related to this if statement. Okay, if x is equal to 5, then we print the message x is 5. Elif, again it check the condition. If x is less than 5, then we want to print x is less than 5. Else print x is greater than 5. If neither of these conditions will satisfy, then else part will be executed. And this print statement is not related to if statement and it is not related to elif statement. It will execute in each and every case. So now we run the code. Go to run option. See, this is our output. X is 5 because here x value is 5. If I am using here x2, now again check the condition. First save your file, then again check the condition and check the result. Now x is less than 5 because x is not equal to 5, then if this condition is not satisfied, then it again check the condition. X is less than 5, yes, x is less than 5, then it prints the message x is less than 5, and after that it prints this message done. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now again our next program is write a program to test whether a program is divisible by 2 or 3 with the help of elif statement. Now here I am declaring one value n which points to 15 value. Now this is our program. Write a program to test whether a number is divisible by 2 or 3 using the if elif else statement. So I am putting here condition if n modulo 2 equals to 0. Put semicolon here. Print number is divisible by 2. If number is divisible by 2, then it prints the message this. Elif, if number is divisible by 3, then it prints this message number is divisible by 3. Else print number is not divisible by 2 or 3. If neither of these conditions will satisfy, then else part will be executed. After that print command, this print command is not related to if command, elif command, it will execute in each and every case. So here my value is n equal to 15. Now save the file and run the code. Number is divisible by 3 because 15, it check the condition if n modulo 2 equal to 0, no, then it again check the condition n modulo 3 equal to 0, z, yes. Now this print message will be printed on your screen. Number is divisible by 3 and printed. If I am now changing my value, I am putting here 10. Again the file and check your result. Go to run option. Number is divisible by 2 and it prints a message done. I hope this concept is clear to you. We have seen the if-else elif statement in Python. If-else statement is used to take decision between two alternatives, but if elif-else statement is used to take decision between more than two alternatives. I hope this concept is clear to you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this presentation. I will see you next one.